Welcome to Do for Fit, where fitness meets kindness. Today we are going to tell you about 5 yoga poses that will not only make your body healthy, but will also make your heart and mind healthy and full of humanity. Stay tuned till the end because a healthy body and a healthy soul both are important. In today's fast-paced life, staying fit and healthy seems difficult, but the truth is that even while staying at home, we can be fit, healthy, and happy. In this video, we will tell you 5 yoga poses that make the body flexible, the brain calm, and the mind kind, meaning here fitness plus humanity together. Yogasana, 1 Tadasana, mountain pose. Method, how to do. Stand straight, keeping the feet together. Interlock the fingers of both hands and pull upward. Lift the heels and stretch the whole body upwards. Take a deep breath and hold for 10-15 seconds. Slowly exhale and return. Benefits. Strengthens the spine, improves body posture, helps in increasing height, increases breathing capacity and lung strength, makes the mind stable and confident. Precautions, if you feel dizziness, do it slowly. If there are balance issues, do it near a wall. Tadasana teaches us equality and balance, the same balance we should adopt while dealing with people. Yogasana 2, Vrikshasana, tree pose method. How to do. Stand straight and fold one leg, placing it on the thigh of the other leg. Bring the hands in namaste position in front of the chest, or raise them upward. Keep balance for 20-30 seconds. Repeat with the other leg. Benefits. Improves balance and concentration. Strengthens leg muscles. Calms the nervous system. Precautions. If it is hard to balance, take wall support. If there is knee injury, do not do it. Vrikshasana teaches us that like a tree gives shade and fruits without discrimination, similarly, we should help others. Yogasana 3, Bhujangasana, cobra pose. Method, how to do. Lie down on the stomach. Place the palms near the shoulders and keep the elbows close to the body. Take a deep breath and lift the chest upwards. Feel the stretch in the waist. Stay for 15-20 seconds, then come down slowly. Benefits, makes the spine flexible, gives relief in lower back pain, improves digestion, improves lung capacity. Precautions, do not do during pregnancy or in hernia. Do not put too much pressure on the neck. Bhujangasana teaches us that we should raise our head and move forward even in difficult situations, like a snake stays alert in its defense. Asana 4, Ardha Matsyendrasana, half spinal twist method. How to do. Sit on the ground and stretch the legs. Bend the right leg and place it outside the left knee. Take the support of the right hand behind and place the left hand near the right knee. Exhaling, twist the torso and look. Do both sides for 15-20 seconds. Benefits. Helps in digestion and detox. Makes the spine flexible. Reduces tension in shoulders and neck. Precautions. If there is severe back pain or surgery, do not do it. Avoid overstretching. This pose teaches flexibility, just as we should keep flexibility in our thoughts according to the situation. Yogasana 5, Shavasana, corpse pose. Method, how to do. Lie down on the back. Keep both arms and legs loose and close the eyes. Take deep and slow breaths. Stay for 5-10 minutes. Benefits, gives complete relaxation to mind and body. Reduces stress and anxiety. Improves sleep quality. Precautions, do not fall asleep. Stay conscious. If there is back pain, keep a pillow under the knees. Shavasana reminds us that ultimately peace is the greatest strength and we should treat everyone with peace and love. If you like this video, hit like, share, and subscribe because Do for Fit is your fitness buddy on this journey. Today's 5 yoga poses will make you not only fit but also kind and happy. Practice them daily and feel a positive change in your life. Before practicing the information given by us, please consult your doctor or yoga teacher. The channel will not be responsible for any injury or problem. With this, you can make your life free from pain and happy.